In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record voice on BandLab. First, open your web browser and go to the BandLab website. This is where we'll do everything online, so there's no software to install. Once the page loads, look for the Log In button, usually in the top right corner, and click it. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google. Select your Google account when prompted, then click Continue to finish signing in. If you're already logged in, you may be taken straight to your BandLab feed. After you're in, take a second to notice the main tools across the top of the page. These are shortcuts to the different parts of BandLab. What we want is the Studio, which is BandLab's online recording workspace. Click Studio to open it. Inside the Studio, you'll see the project area where tracks will appear. To capture your voice, add a voice/audio track. This tells BandLab you're recording from a microphone rather than using virtual instruments. If your browser asks for permission to use the microphone, make sure to allow it so BandLab can hear your input. For the cleanest sound, use headphones to prevent the speakers from bleeding back into your mic. Before you record, glance at the input meter on the track. Aim for a healthy signal that's strong but not clipping into the red. Speaking 6 to 8 inches from the microphone and staying consistent with your distance helps keep your levels steady and your tone clear. If you want a timing guide, you can enable the metronome in the Studio, but it's optional for voice-only recordings. When you're ready, click the round record button. You may get a short count in, and then BandLab starts capturing your voice on the track. Speak naturally, keep an eye on the waveform as it builds, and focus on a clean take rather than perfection. Multiple short takes often beat one long one. If you hear echo, lower your speaker volume or switch fully to headphones. When you're done, click the red stop button. Your recording will appear as a clip on the voice/audio track and is saved inside the project. Press play to review what you just recorded. If you're happy with the take, you can leave it as is. If not, you can record again on the same track or add another voice/audio track for a fresh take. From here, you're ready to arrange, edit, or add effects whenever you like. And that's all it takes to record your voice on BandLab using the Studio.